His Worship Chief Moses Nabende nasima Mukama ab'okumukwasa okukora obwire obu kandi nagira ngu eki akikozire kugarura abantu abakuheereza obutosha omu kooti ahu yashaba abantu okugira obuntu.
I had my birthday yesterday and I had to think about what can I do. First of all, I appreciate God for giving me a chance to serve the nation and also in judiciary. I grew up a humble man and I have known that serving people is the best thing you can do.
His Worship Chief Moses Nabende umazire emyaka 60 omu kuheereza omu by'amateeka nashobora ngu nakora ekirikubaasika okureebeka ngu yaheereza abantu arikugira ngu Mukama niwamubasiise.
For me, I'm happy that I've been able to work diligently to everyone and my people, I know that I offer the most transparent justice they want. Speedy trials I give them. I give it all to my work.
Ugu nashaba Ruhanga kumwongera emyaka endijo omu maisho kandi nawe okurugaho idaara akazarindi akaba n'omuramuzi omu Supreme Court.
The first prayer I made to God was to give me long life and healthy life. I also asked God to give me further promotions and I serve my people in higher positions. Of course, when you become a judge up there, you are able to handle more serious cases as well. So my prayer is to get the elevations, to get good health, and I want to remain also committed to serve God.
His Worship Chief Moses Nabende or Chief Magistrate High Court yambara akazarwa 11 by'okwakashatu omwaka gwa 1976. Ndi Olivia Kamsime abwate hali West Omurimbara.